drive this truck to a win? 3 words. It's on the floor. Son, you're not going to believe it. I face it. You're not going to believe this. Anderson beat in Charleston.
Anthony Fournier out of Bluefield, New Jersey, has stunned the monster truck racing world.
The American dream. Anybody can be a winner if you put your heart in it. This is proof. Look at this.
The chicken wins it. The chicken.
Oh, we got problem, Scott. In the wall. He's in the wall down here.
Look out at the end. Contact. The Gravedigger crashes into the equalizer, and he hit him in the door. Is David Morris all right is question number 1.
This is 1990 Renegade Monster Truck racing, isn't it?
That's right. If you can't beat them, you got to kill them, I guess.
Word is that TNT has banned Bigfoot's revolutionary Bigfoot 8, the brand new truck that has been dominating TNT competition. Four-wheel crazy equalizer and the new outlaw, first ever side by side by side.
Ladies and gentlemen, you just saw history.
Everybody back to the shop, they work their tails off, and I just don't know what to say.
They brought King Kong out of retirement. He said quick qualifying time was dominating the whole round of competition.
Gary Colt's in trouble down here. Oh, he wipes out the sign. He's trying to keep it on all fours.
Upside down, on fire.
On the other end of the track, Clydesdale gets tagged on the end and going over.
It was Wildhair losing control and smashing in to Clydesdale.
I just full throttled and tried to get ahead of him. I thought I was going to get just ahead of him. I didn't think he was going to hit me.
Here comes Bigfoot working the inside. Andy Brad doing a great job. They're going to go to the jump side by side. Scott, Chevrolet, Ford. Who's it going to be?
Bigfoot on it. Unbelievable.
Pull the trigger. Yes, the front figure on the side now. What a driving job by Anderson. Oh, it's a Cinderella story. Listen to the crowd. Maybe it's over. But when you turn around to good luck, wow, you could have handpicked a better place.
And the clock is ticking away on any chance of defending the World Championship for the equalizer. He had hoped to get it down to one race head-to-head with Bigfoot. It doesn't look like he's going to make it there. And Bigfoot goes out in style, winning on the final race of the year.
I don't think this truck would be here without Andy Barrett. I mean, he's a heck of a driver. He's a heck of a racer.